In this video, we're going to show you how to create a custom saved search that will automatically email your clients. And you have now new controls over the ability to send it immediately, within a day, a week, month, that kind of stuff. So first thing you're going to do is go to a contact card, and you're going to see saved searches in the upper right hand corner where you can create a new saved search. From here, you can search by a specific neighborhood, find it on the map. So I'm going to search by Las Olas here in South Florida. And I'm going to do Las Olas Beach. There we go. You can set your price range if you want. So let's say I'm looking for 400,000 to 800,000. You can search by specific property type. I'm looking for just single family homes. So I'm going to uncheck all of these. Okay. I'm looking for just active. I don't want pending or coming soon. Number of bedrooms, 3+, bath, 2+. You can put whatever else that you need in here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click next, and this time we're going to save this. So Las Olas Beach Homes. And then this is where you actually enable the email notifications and how frequent. So this is the new part of it. So now you can see that you can actually do it instant, which sends it within 30 minutes, a daily summary, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. So the default has always been weekly emails, but now you can do instant and create saved search. This adds it to the list. Now you'll notice under saved searches, I have a couple here. So the ones that I create as an agent, you can actually edit and delete. However, notice there are other ones created by the consumer, which will be grayed out. Those ones are for them to create as well. So as you can see, there's no limit now to how many searches I have, how frequent we send this, which is awesome. And this is what the email will look like. So here is one I did for Victoria Park. Here is the email itself. It's got my branding up at the top. We are aware of the logo issue, so if you see that, it's okay, it's being worked on. And then this is what it says, hi, here's the information, here's one of those updates, and this is now sending it to me with my information and all this stuff the second anything new comes in, and I'm getting instant responses. For now, this is by email. Eventually it'll be in the app as well. And just like that, you're able to create and edit saved searches. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, leave us a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, you can follow me on KB Connect and YouTube today.